Boy. I usually always do positive content when I can, but this really surprised me when I got down here to catch the train. Um, this really got to me. I almost went to clean it up. I got gloves. I have gloves on me. I almost want to clean it up. But, yeah, I don't know. I'm not used to seeing this when I catch the train. Not at this station especially. I don't know. But it did surprise me. Uh, this is sticky. My boots are sticking to this ground. But yeah, I'm not used to seeing that. It's a shame. I don't know. A lot goes on down here. Some people sneak through the turnstile and don't pay and come down here. Not everybody, it's just sometimes. It's even on this side. Where's people at? It's even over here. Really not used to this. Wow. Not good. Just surprised me. Thought I'd share it. It's early in the morning. It's about, I don't know what time it is. 7 something in the morning. 8, no, 7 something. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Almost lost for words. But, yeah, just wanted to share that. Like I said, I usually share positive things, but this surprised me this morning. Hopefully you can hear me in this train station. But, yeah. Alright, I'll talk to everybody later. Have a good day, have a good night. Be sure to like, subscribe, share if you can. And until next time, peace.